What is up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. What if I told you the first fully autonomous AI agent on Solana is already live and making some serious moves? LAAI AI agent is built to shake up the entire Web3 with real-time trading intelligence, risk detection, and market analytics. And with the pre-sale live on Pink Sale already trending at number 11 plus massive marketing across social media and news outlets, this is one of those early entries you do not want to overlook. Okay guys, welcome back. Let's get into what makes LAAI AI such a massive opportunity. As you can see guys, this is not just another pre-sale that is trending on Pink Sale. This is backed by serious fundamentals. We're talking CertiK audit and KYC already completed, over 500 global press releases building awareness, a strong community forming fast, and a central exchange listing already on the horizon. The core of it all is an autonomous AI trading agent that is built for Solana meme coins that's combining on-chain and off-chain data with market signals through 6 powerful sub-models that are controlled by a central orchestrator. It's built for speed with end-to-end execution under 300 milliseconds, secured by MPC, HSM, and multi-RPC safety, which means it can react faster than the market shifts. Now guys, here is the edge that gives it real weight. The system was trained over 12 months using curated data sets and learning directly from 250 profitable wallets, with both backtesting and live walk-forward testing showing strong results. LAAI AI agent is built to handle literally everything from start to finish. It pulls in market data, processes it, runs it through multiple AI models, and then executes trades securely in real time. The 6 sub-models each have their own job, which are spotting scams, checking liquidity, scanning the market, forecasting moves, tracking social sentiment, and managing portfolios. And all of that comes together in the main system, which then decides when to act. The execution is fast and smart, routing through the best decentralized exchanges like Jupiter, Radium, or Orca, keeping slippage low and locking trades with top security. But the crazy part here, guys, is that it all happens in under 300 milliseconds. Backtests showed over 150% annualized returns with strong consistency, which proves how powerful this setup really is. And on top of its powerful trading engine, LAAI AI agent is rolling out some serious security and compliance measures to build your trust. As I said, guys, a full CertiK audit and a team KYC with multi-signature protection on critical wallets and constant real-time monitoring to keep everything safe. Now guys, let's talk about their token, because this token runs on Solana with a max supply of 1 billion and it comes with real utility. All holders will get premium access, staking rewards that adjust dynamically, governance rights, and a role in the future economy of the agent itself. Also, the distribution is built for balanced growth, with half going into the IEO, strong allocations for staking and liquidity, and the team's share fully locked with Pink Lock for 6 months. On top of that, the staking is also ready to roll with a base APR around 25%, automatic rewards, flexible or locked options, and extra boost through NFTs and governance. So my bullrun angels, as you can see, with everything audited and secured, this token is definitely setting up for a launch that looks both explosive and sustainable. By 2026, advanced prediction models and full portfolio management will move into production, along with personalization features, a public API, and more complex automation. The goal is to keep availability above 99.5% and maintain the lightning-fast execution, which is exactly what traders need. What's also very important to highlight is the fact that this project has massive marketing and a huge community plan. They're literally everywhere there, as you can see, X, Telegram, Discord, YouTube with daily content, TikTok, and even forums like CoinMarketCap Community, Reddit, and Bitcoin Talk. Add in PPC campaigns across Google, Meta, and crypto ad networks, and the reach is beyond massive. And on top of that, guys, they're also securing press in outlets like Cointelegraph, CoinDesk, and Yahoo Finance while running ambassador programs, AMAs, giveaways, and referral rewards. It's definitely the kind of strategy that builds serious momentum and keeps the entire community growing long term, which is a major plus when the project is in early phases. This project is definitely setting up to be one of the biggest game changers of the year, so check out the pre-sale now and be part of what comes next. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.